children, welcome back to your online IT class. In the last chapter, we learned about Windows 10 and its features. Today, we are going to start our new lesson. The chapter name is Microsoft Word 2016. In this chapter, we will learn about Introduction to Word, how to create a new document, how to open, save, print a document. Are you ready? Dear children, before starting this lesson, you have to know what is a word processor. We studied about word processor in the previous class. Do you remember? Then say, what is word processor? Yes, word processor is an application software used for typing, editing, formatting and printing documents. The examples of word processors are Notepad, WordPad, Microsoft Word, OpenOffice Writer, etc. In this chapter, we are going to study about Microsoft Word. We have already studied about WordPad and Notepad in the previous classes. Today, we are going to study about a new word processor, that is Microsoft Word 2016. Okay? It is a very popular word processing software in the world. It is used to create variety of documents like letters, resumes, stories, paragraphs, etc. Children, do you know Microsoft Word was first released in October 25th, 1983. Today we are going to study about how to start Microsoft Word and its interfaces. After we will study how to create a new document and how to save a document. Finally, we will study about the parts of Microsoft Word window. Okay? Children, there are a lot of methods to open MS Word. You can follow these 5 methods to open MS Word. The first method is click on Start button. This is Start button. From there, take Microsoft Office. It's a package. Here we can see so many softwares like Access Database, Compare, Excel, InfoPath, Office 2013, PowerPoint, Publisher, etc. From there, you have to take Microsoft Word. Understood? Take that. This way you can open and take blank document. Then you will get a blank document of MS Word, Microsoft Word. Here we can type our name, address, and we can format that also. Understood? Here we can write, we can format, we can print our documents. Okay? This is the first way. The second way, click on the Start button and take MS Word from the right pane. Here we can see MS Microsoft Word. Understood? Click there. Take blank document again. Here we can type, we can edit, we can format our documents. Understood? We can type our name here like this. Increase the size. Take one color and on this caps lock key and type your name like this. Okay? If you want to save this, you can save. Otherwise, close and click on this Don't Save button. This way you can open your MS Word window. The next method is double click on the MS Word icon from the desktop. Here you can see MS Word icon. Look, this is MS Word icon. Double click on this icon. This is another way to open Microsoft Word. Understood? Close this. The next way, select the MS Word icon on the taskbar. This is taskbar. Look, here we can see MS Word icon. Click there. Take blank document. And here we can edit, we can type, we can print our document. Understood? The final way is to search Microsoft Word in this search box. This is search box. Look. Search MS Word application using this search box. Type there MS Word. MS means Microsoft Word. Okay, we got that. Click there. Again take blank document. Here you can type your name. You can type anything. You can type anything on this document. Understood? The next is Word interface. When you open Word, the start screen will appear. This is the start screen. This is the Word interface. Okay? Here we can create our new document. You can see more options in this window. Number 1, templates. These are the templates. These. What is the use of these templates? What is templates? It's a pre-designed document style. Lot of document style we can see here. If you want to open this style, just click there. This is the first style. Here you can type anything. Okay? Etc. Understood? This is template means a pre-designed document style. This is already designed. Here you can type, just type anything. Only you can change these sentences. You can give your own ideas, your own sentences in this area. Understood? The next, when you open Word, these are templates, this is blank document, and these are recent. What is recent? You can access these files. These are already saved in your system. These documents you can open. You can access these files. Understood? This is already served in this system. If you want this document, just click there. You will get that. Understood? Then say what is recent? Recent means you can access recently edited documents from this interface. If you want this, just click there. The next is blank document. What is the use of this blank document? If you choose this blank document, you will get a fresh page like this. Here you can write, you can edit, you can format anything as you like. Understood? If you want to close this, click on this X button. This is the X button, close button. The next is create a new document. Now we are going to create a new document. How to create a new document in MS Word? First, you have to click on this Word icon. You can use this method, or you can type Word in search box. You can double click on this MS Word icon. Using these methods, you can open MS Word. I am going to click on this taskbar Word icon. Just click on this blank document. Then you will get a new window. Now a document is displayed. Here you can start your work. Understood? Children, this is File tab. The File tab located upper left corner of this window. Look, this is File tab. It consists of New, Open, Save, Save as, Print, Share, Export, Close, Account, Options, etc. Some other options to start MS Word. You can use this Quick Access toolbar and click on this New button. to start a blank document, go to Quick Access toolbar. This is the Quick Access toolbar. Go to the Quick Access toolbar and click on this new button. This is new button. Click there. Then you will get a new window like this. Okay. Otherwise, you can use Ctrl+N. The shortcut key to create a new document is Ctrl+N. Don't forget. Understood? Children, next we are going to study the parts of a Word window. Are you ready? The first one, ribbon. Look, this is ribbon. This is ribbon. Look. Below this menu bar you can see ribbon. This is ribbon. Look. Calibri, BIU, bold, italics, underline. These are called ribbon. Understood? The next is Quick Access toolbar. Children, this is Quick Access toolbar. Look. The upper left corner you can see the Quick Access toolbar. This is Quick Access toolbar. You can quickly take these options. That is why this bar is called Quick Access toolbar. Understood? The next is title bar. Look, this is the title bar. Document 1 Word. This is the title bar. Understood? Top bar is called title bar. In the title bar we can see minimize button, restore or maximize button or close button, and the name of the document we will get from this title bar. So it is called title bar. Understood? Children, this is tell me. The help box is now also known as tell me. This is the help box. This is the text field. It is used to find help about what you are looking for. Understood? If you want to search anything, you can type in this field. It is used to find help about what you are looking for. Okay. The next is sign in button. This is sign in button. Okay. And this is hide ribbon. And this is share button. This is ruler bar. This is workspace. This is status bar. Look, this is zoom control. Okay. Last is scroll bar. This is scroll bar. Children, this is scroll bar. We can scroll our document. Okay. Children, now I am going to say a poem wrote by Sana. Okay. For that you have to take a blank document. Then I am going to type Sana's poem. Little things. Take size 20 and take your desired color from this color box and type little things. L capital. Press shift key and type L. Little things. Press shift key and type T. Things. Okay. Then enter key. Again type little drops of water, comma, little grains of sand, comma, enter key. Make the mighty spacebar ocean spacebar and the space pleasant space land comma, enter key, thus, thus, space, the, space, little, space, minutes, comma, humble, space, though, they, be, comma, enter key, make, space, the mighty, ages, space, of, space, eternity, full stop. Okay. Now I am going to format these lines. For that, select all these lines. Just click on Ctrl plus A or select like this. Click here and drag the mouse like this. Then all lines are selected. Then click on this center aligned button. This is center aligned button. Click there. What happened? Then all lines will align to the center of the page. Look. Now I am going to give underline of these two words, little things. For that, select that two words. Then click on underline button. This is underline button. Click there. What happened? Children, look. Now the text is underlined. Okay. After that, I am going to save this poem. How to save this poem? Click on this file tab. This is file tab. Click there and click on this save button. Select one destination. This is the save as dialog box. Then type here little things. Here we can see little things. Otherwise you have to type here little things. LITTLETHINGS. Type one file name. Then click on this save button. Okay. Children, then look at the title bar. We can see our document name as little things. Look here. Now our document's name is little things. Okay. Then click on this X button to close this window. Bye. That's enough for today's class. What we learned today? Today we learned about how to start Microsoft Word and the parts of Microsoft Word window. Then how to create a new document, how to save a document, etc. Do you remember? Take care. See you in the next class. Bye.